Hi kids, today we are going to study lesson 16. Who will do this work? What is who will do this work? In this lesson we mainly studied about the different types of work, people who do cleaning jobs, then importance of cleanliness, then contribution of Gandhiji and contribution of B.R. Ambedkar. First, different types of work. We all live in a society and we need the help of many people in doing different in our daily course. That means in our daily life many people help in different ways. Then they must keep our life easy and comfortable. Then when people do different jobs of to other their livelihood. That means people do jobs in different positions and different capacities. We must respect all jobs. That means jobs have no difference there. We must respect all jobs. And some example of jobs are then dentist, chemist, plumber, scientist, musician, then teacher, etc. First, then dentist check our teeth, then plumber he repairs our pipes and taps, scientist he distribute medicines, then teacher teaches us, then doctor he treat the sick when we fall sick, then driver who runs on vehicles, then firefighter he stop the fire, then next musician he play the music, then doctor treats, then other sweepers clean the in our surroundings. These are the different variety jobs. Then that means we must respect all jobs. Then some kind of people do, some others don't like jobs. Examples sweeping and cleaning and more. That means what kinds of jobs or works do people want not to do? Why? That means some people these kinds of job cannot do. Why? That means people do not want to do such kind of works which looks dirty or has low income. That means that kind of job goes dirty and has low income, such as sweeping, cleaning and more. Why these people do this the kind of job? Because they are educated, education not educated, then cannot do other jobs and due to the poverty. That means their poverty due to no continuous study or education. Then next is people who do cleaning jobs. Different people do cleaning jobs. That means if nobody would do this kind of work, then it will create many problems around us. That means the garbage will get collected outside in our homes, schools, etc. It will retain, get bad smell due to the process of rotting. That means it can spread many diseases there. Then these people affect many difficulties who do this kind of work. That means cleaning, sweeping and other more works. Then they have to bear the foul smell. Then next, importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness, what is the importance of cleanliness? Keeping the surroundings clean is very important in order to the change in the view of the people of the society. That means in our area is must clean our area. Then some technological advancements should be made in order to lessen the work of these people and the chances of a better profession. It means advancement technology. Example, use of cranes, dialogue. That means some other ways for cleaning so that people would not have to do this work. First is uses of cranes to lift a huge amount of garbage handling by hand. Then dialogue, the big dustbin in which garbage is collected is called dalo. Then garbage truck lifts the whole dalo and takes it to the garbage dumping site. That means it is the duty of every person to keep his surroundings clean. In children, big people know, it is the duty of every person to clean the surroundings. Then by doing a work, we can understand the importance of that work and can also understand the efforts required for that work. Then you have to understand the efforts of that cleaning people. Then you have to do the same kind of work. Then you have to understand the efforts of that cleaning work. Then next is contribution of Gandhiji. Who is Gandhiji? Gandhiji is the father of nation. Then he gives some contributions. Then Gandhiji, also known as father of nation. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Then in South Africa, on the way in the train, he was thrown out enslaved for daring to travel as a co-passenger of a white man. In South Africa, he witnessed the sad plight of Indian who had gone as a laborer. He also worked for the upliftment of people and named such people Harijans. Harijans means people of God. That means some people have untouchability. Untouchability means in law backward people there. This how to uplift the Gandhi. Gandhiji and his team started doing the job of cleaning so that people should come out of their mindset. Then he used to do his every work on his own. He wanted people to respect every type of job and that people should understand that a particular job is meant for a particular caste. That means some jobs are related to their caste. Then you have to do all type of jobs. It is important to bring change as every work is important for society. That means in this work do that people and this work do another. All jobs have no participation. Every work do every people. Then every person has self-respect and people should learn to pay respect to others no matter which kind of work they are doing. That means in this lesson mainly say that we respect all jobs. Example sweeping, cleaning and more. All jobs we respect. Then next contribution of B.R. Ambedkar. Who is B.R. Ambedkar? B.R. means Bhimrao Ambedkar. That means Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination towards the untouchables. Baba Sahib Ambedkar participated in freedom struggle and raised his voice for the upliftment of the downtrodden people. He became very famous across the world. He also fought for justice for people like him. Another is it is a leader of the freedom fighter. In this lesson, we mainly study different types of work. Then people who do cleaning jobs, then importance of cleanliness, then contribution of Gandhiji and contribution of B.R. Ambedkar. In this lesson, we mainly study, we respect all jobs, no participating jobs. Example, some select good jobs. That means respect to teacher, doctor, nurse, etc. Then some cannot choose sweeping and cleaning jobs. And that means all jobs are respected. Then sweeping and cleaning jobs will be respected that people. That means in our surroundings, many people do different kinds of jobs. We have to respect that people, not avoid that people. For example, sweeping, cleaning, sweeper, going, sweeper girl, there we cannot avoid that people. We have to respect that job and that people.